Right, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum to Dr. Ahmad Sobri. So, my name is Muhammad Amir Johan bin Abdul Aziz. My ID number is 1600 to 542. I'm from PE department. I'm taking structural programming this semester. Okay, so as per assignment that been assigned to all the students, we have to design a program to run a statistical analysis for students' coursework marks given in this file. Okay, and the file consists of 8 columns against 127 columns, where the 8 columns are for their student ID number and all the assessments and its own benchmark. Okay, and then the other 137 column is for the students. Okay, so we have 137 students in the class, so we have to come out with their, and it's given their all their marks for assignment, for lab, for test 1, test 2. Okay, so what we have to do here is to design a program that will read from the raw data, this text file, okay, and produce a new text file, okay, that be namely as a report, okay, where there will be consist of the percentage, the grading percentage of students obtained, and then we have to identify the percentage of students that gain the specific marks, and then we have to see whoever have to undergo intervention program. The criteria is for those who took test 1 but their marks is below 60, so they have to undergo the intervention program, so that we can see either any possibility for them to improve in their test 2. Okay, and then we have to compare test 1 and test 2. Okay, so this is aimed to observe which assessment students score better. Okay, then after that we have to create a mean, medium, and standard deviations. Okay, also we have to see which students will be bar. Okay, whoever get 40% and below will be bar, and whoever didn't go for any assessment will automatically fail. Okay, and then after that we have to generate another text file, namely as a recommender. Okay, so here is to see those students who are aiming for their specific grading, such as A, B, C. Okay, let's say I'm getting my current coursework mark is B, but I'm aiming for A. So there are several formula to be done to actually help us to gain percentage of how many percent that we can achieve to get the specific grading that we wanted. Okay, so the instruction this has to be doing by a group consists of 2 students, but I'm doing it solo as per Dr. Ahmad Sobri said to, because I've been working with the other group. Okay, and then I don't have any partner, and then yeah, we have to come up with the video. So this is the video. Right, so this is all the coding. Okay, so I go very fast because this is kinda will took some time to explain each of the code. Okay, so We'll be using iStream because it's a commonly used. Okay, this is basically for all the library will have to be used. Fstream is for any in file or file purposes. Okay, name is for any like a set precision. Med is for yeah, square root, square. Okay, we've been using in the mean to calculate the mean and static standard deviation. All right, so this is the declaration function. Okay, yeah, int is for integer, void for any no value return. Okay, so float is for any decimal places. This is for a global variable. Declaration. Okay, so num line, we have 137 students, so they will be reading 137 students. And then okay, this is for declaring a array of variable to be read in the file. And then this is if stream is for which file we've been read. Okay, a file is where we are going to produce the file. Okay, all right, so move forward. Okay, this is just to recording this way is for the system to read the program chronologically. Okay, so that it will look nicer. Okay, so close a file, to save the RAM. Okay, so we starting with the first question. Okay, we declare all these things, and then we continue with here. From here, we've been reading from the data given. Okay, and then while get line is is for the loops. Okay, and then all this. Okay, this is for the we have to know how many percent of students in the assessments that will get several their own grading. Okay, so let's say here we have this one, identifier word is for assessment weightage is 100%, and then for this two is weightage is 50%. Okay, so like this one, whoever got more than 80% will get A, more than 2% less than more than 60% less than 80% will get B, this will get C, and the rest is fail. Okay, so and then after we done this, this is for get line the percent of A until F grade. Numline represent total number of students lah. Okay, alright, so it will resulting this. So as the result said, so the percentage of A is 29.93% and the percentage of fail is 2.19%. Okay, alright, so the second question, we're starting from here, so we can see the overall coursework mark. Okay, overall coursework mark, it's written here lah. Okay, overall coursework mark. Alright, and then improve from intervention. Okay, so the intervention program, we create it down here. Sorry, here. Okay, so we create here. If the test one is below the 60%, they will have to they will have to undergo for intervention. Okay. This is basically to state the total number of students who went to intervention. Okay. So and then count this one, counter one. Here is this statement for those who went to intervention and improve, and yeah. Okay. So we get, after that we get the percent value in the main function. Okay. So the result will be in here. This is the improvement of improvement from intervention program. They are 69%. Okay, so this is what we did. Right, and then we go to the third questions. The third question asks for the mean, median, and standard deviation. This is what we've been doing. Okay, and then come up with the formula for the mean, median, okay, and then for the standard deviation. Right, so this will come out here. This is the result. Okay, for test 1, for test 2. Right, and then also we've been asking for to find out the bar students. Okay, for the bar students we created here. Okay, total cost of mark below than 40% will automatically be bar. Okay, so listed whoever been bar have been identified. Okay, there is 2 students who have been bar. Okay, and then we have to check whoever didn't take any assessment. Okay, so we create it out here. Okay, for those who didn't take any assessment, automatically will get 0. Okay, so the list didn't do any project, there is 2. Okay, here. Alright, so this is basically what we're doing, okay, at the first stage. And then we have been asking to do the recommended. Okay, so here is the code for recommend. This is where we have to find whether the students will how many percent they have to actually score to get an A, B, or C. Alright, so the result is here. For every students, we already identify their total coursework marks, and then how many percent they have to score to get an A, B, and C. Okay. Alright. So the rest I think should be okay. Because other than videos, I believe so. Have to check the coding. Okay. So this is what I've been doing with my friends, where actually they are forming another a group. So initially I thought it was 3 of in a group. So then I read the instruction again. There is a 2, and then I ask Sir, and then Sir said so that I have to work on solo. So this is the result. Okay. Alright, I hope everything is clear. So thank you so much.